Hey, how's it going, man? Which one is it? This one? The keys in it?
Yeah.
The key doesn't turn out?
You want to take it off?
Yeah.
I have to hook the battery.
Oh, okay. You have to unhook it?
I hooked it already.
Okay.
Take it off now.
It's not coming. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. So you just need this one programmed. It's not starting, right? Okay. All right, go ahead and connect it. Yeah. That's the weirdest thing ever. It's only wants to take out whenever you disconnect the battery.